Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. How are you today? Today it's the 13th of June 2025 and a thunderstorm is about to hit. It's quite a way away. The clouds are sort of coming this way pretty much. So they're coming pretty close, but the thunder is quite quiet from where I am right now. I'm just in the loft right now, so the time right now, it's just gone 8:30 in the evening, and it is starting to rain a little bit. I can just hear a little bit of rain spitting on the roof. If you made out, I saw a couple of flashes of lightning earlier, a few minutes ago, quite a way away, so the thunder was quite faint. It wasn't that close because it was quite a distance away, so I just heard it quietly in the distance, but it is coming in and it is raining a little bit. If you can see, I'm holding my phone here, right at the top of my house. I'm in the loft, so I get a good view from here. These clouds do look pretty dirty, and if you look over there, it's all nice and clear, and that's the sun setting over that way. And over here, if you can see, we're about to get this big black cloud that's coming in. It looks pretty funky. I like the way it looks. Been looking up at clouds recently. Whoa, was that a flash of lightning I just saw in the corner of my eye? Does seem like it's getting closer, so the storm does look like it's getting nearer. The thing is about thunderstorms, right, when you see a flash of lightning and it's like 4 or 5 miles away and you count up to 1, 2, whatever number, and you like count how far away it is. So the thunderstorm is currently over Poole, Corfmullen way, so it is coming in, so it does look like it's getting nearer, and I can just see the clouds coming this way, going that way, towards the chimney, so it is coming in. As you can see right now, it's already pretty dark at this time of year. Never known it this dark at this time of year. We're in June, and I can hear the rain on the loft window right now. It's coming in, but it is still away, if you can see. That's the loft. Whoa, holy hell, that was bright. Now that was pretty close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and you see, right, it is still quite a way away, but I just saw that flash really brightly over there, so it's over there right now, so that was a pretty bright flash right over there behind that chimney, right there. I just saw that. I changed my lens, I go further out. I can hear it rumbling quite faintly. Whoa, hear that? Whoa. Whoa. That was quite deep. Whoa. Sounded like an earthquake. Sounded like when you get like an earthquake, you know when the ground shakes. It sounded like that. As you can see, it is spitting a bit. The rain's not that bad at the moment, as you can tell. If I can go downstairs, out the window. Yeah, it is spitting a bit. It's spitting a bit. Yeah, it's getting dark out there, isn't it?
Not window wide open by any chance?
Oh, I've closed the window. It's going to get wet. Just saw something. Right, I'm just out the backyard right now. As you may have seen, I'm in the backyard. It is raining a little bit, so just want to make aware. Here I am in the back garden. And if you can see, look at this. It's like a supercell. These cloud form. This cloud is absolutely, I like the way the cloud pattern looks and all that. Yeah, I think it looks amazing, pretty cool. So it does look like it's coming this way, but I can't actually tell what way it is coming. It is quite a way away still. I won't be out here too much longer, so I'll be heading in a bit. I'm going to go under my shelter, just in case. It's pretty awkward under here. Plant pots. Nope. Does sound like the rain is getting a bit harder. If I can zoom you in a bit. Oh, sorry about that. Here we go, guys. This is a view of what it looks like at the moment. As you can hear, the rain is coming. So a heavy shower might hit. This cloud right here is about to go that way. Got another one there. Now it is starting to rain. Sound pretty big, these raindrops.
I think I accidentally sent you your own number or Bruce's number, God knows what I'll do. You should have got it, you should have got a text with a 6-digit code from somebody that you don't know. Right. And then you use that code
That's one hell of a dark cloud. Yeah, it's starting to rain a bit. There isn't yet any thunder, but it is raining a bit. Open this, get a good cover, so then I can get a good view under the parasol now. Here we go. I'm just under the parasol now, so you can see I've just winded it up. So yeah, so you can hear the rain up there. We're just under the parasol just to keep dry. Does look pretty beastly dark over there. There is rain coming in, as you can see. Here comes the rain now. It's coming down hard. It's getting a bit heavier now. Oh, it's about to lighten again. Yeah. It's raining a bit, isn't it?
A little bit, not much.
Bit of shower.
I shut the loft windows, by the way.
Yeah, thanks.
How long you?
Yeah. It's showering quite a bit, as you can see.
Right, that's going to chew into a lot of memory. It might stop filming after a while.